Dear friends, welcome to the channel, and today we have brought you a very special roast which originates from Saudi Arabia. It is known by the name of Albaik chicken. It is indeed a very unique chicken where the marination reaches right to the bone. The oil that we will use today is cholesterol free, so it's healthy to eat. The message from our team today is always live a life with high moral values, as this will help us build a better society around us and for our future generations. Now let's start the process by adding 250 ml of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of powdered salt. Powdered salt can be easily made in our kitchen by crushing and blending normal table salt for 2 to 3 minutes in a chopper. Next we will arrange 9-piece cut chicken pieces on a tray or a plate, and with the help of a marination injector we will marinate the chicken at various points. Please inject the marination to the bone so that the chicken has lots of flavor. We will now add 250 ml seeded chili sauce into the marination liquid. This solution will be applied on the top of the chicken pieces. Please stack the chicken and apply the marination as shown in the video. In our next step, we will close the lid and shake and toss the chicken for 5 minutes. The reason for that is that the marination reaches under the skin of the chicken. Marinate at least for 2 hours. It is now time to make breading for the chicken pieces. We will take 3 cups of plain flour, 2 tablespoons of powdered salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and half teaspoon of garam masala. Please mix all these spices with the plain flour. Our homemade chicken breading is ready. Please beat 4 eggs and 1/4 cup of milk, as this solution will be used to dip the chicken, which will be placed on top of the breading. The best technique to apply the breading on chicken pieces is scoop and roll for at least 20 times. Please take half a pot of oil and set the heat to high settings. The ideal temperature to reach is 350 Fahrenheit. If you don't have a temperature gauge in your house, this normally is achieved in approximately 5 minutes. Please float the chicken pieces one by one in a forward direction so the splashes don't come out on you, as safety is first. After 2 minutes of frying, stir the chicken in a circular motion. Note the total frying time for this roast is 13 minutes, in which 2 minutes are at high heat settings and 11 minutes are at medium heat settings. Our famous Albaik Style Chicken is ready and can be served with French fries or sauces of your choice. I hope you enjoyed the video today, and if you did, press the like button and subscribe to our channel. With this, it is goodbye from us for today. Please take care of yourself and your loved ones, and thanks for visiting our channel.